Good morning, class 7 students. Students, we are doing chapter number 4, the Mughal Empire. Our topic is Mansabdars and Jagirdars. This is your part 4. As the empire expanded and encompassed different regions of the Mughal, recruited diverse bodies of people. As the students, the Mughal Empire increases, the Mughals recruited, means they have recruited the many persons to give the job to many diverse people from different community. The some nucleus of Turkish nobles. They expanded to include Iranians, Indians, Muslims, Afghan, Rajput, Marathas, and other groups. Because see in this map, the red color, brown color is being shown where all the Mughal empire has been expanding. And students, there was a diversity in the recruitment also. They have recruited Muslims, Afghans, Rajputs, Marathas, Indians also. Those who joined Mughal services were enrolled as Mansabdars. The person who get the job in the Mughal Empire were known as the Mansabdars. Mansabdars. The Mansabdars refers as an individual who hold the Mansab. Individual who holds a Mansab means a position of rank. Okay? Mansab means a position of rank. It was a grading system such as Mughal to fix a rank, salary and military responsibility, and they were given the rank. The Mughals used to fix the rank grading, rank, salary according to rank, and what are the military responsibility they are going to do. The rank and the salaries were determined by the numerical number called the Zat. The number that was used at that time was the highest Zat, the more prestigious was the noble position in the court, and the largest is his salary. If he has a numerical value of Zat is known as and that time the prestige, the more Zat you had, the more highest position you have and the most salaries. The Mansabdar military position responsibilities required him to maintain a specific number of sawar or claverymen. Means the claverymen should be there. The Mansabdar brought his claverymen for review, got them registered, their horses branded, and they received money to pay them as a salary. They got this. The person must be have the horses, the claverymen, they were received the highest military position. Mansabdar received their salaries and revenue assigned called the Jagir, which was, see, Jagir is the salary as a revenue assigned called the Jagirs, which was somewhat like Iktas, but unlike Mufti. We have read this Mufti and Iktas in the last previous chapters. Most Mansabdars did not actually reside administrators their Jagirs. They only had right to revenue for the assignment which was collected by them for the servants, while the students only had right to revenue for assigning what was collected to them by their servant. Students, they gave were only assigned to the collected revenue means income which was collected by their servant, while the Mansabdars themselves served in some other parts of the countries. Mansabdar used to the revenues is collected by the servants, and Mansabdar used to serve some other part of the countries. Akbar regime, these Jagirs were carefully accessed to so that their revenue was rough equal to the salary of the Mansabdars. They were in at the time of Aurangzeb region when Aurangzeb was ruling, they were carefully access to the revenue, and what were the revenue they collected was the salary of the Mansabdars. By Aurangzeb regime, this was no longer the case of the actual revenue collected was often less than the granted sum. There also was a huge increase in the number of Mansabdars, which means a long wait before they receive a Jagir. These and other factors created a shortage in the number of Jagirs. The students at the time of the Aurangzeb, the many Mansabdars has been recruited and there was a shortage of Jagir. As a number of many Jagir tribes tried to extract as much revenue as possible while they had the Jagirs. Aurangzeb was unable to control these development over the last years, and this regime was the peasantry therefore suffered tremendously. That's why the Aurangzeb was unable to control the development of these Jagirs from the last years, and that's why his peasantry farmers suffered a lot at the time of Aurangzeb. Thank you.